Hey there, Android fans. We've all been there, right? You're immersed in a gripping article or your favorite game, and suddenly, pop! An ad appears out of nowhere, throwing off your groove. It's like trying to enjoy a serene walk in the park, but someone's chasing you around with a megaphone, hollering about discounts on car insurance. So, how about we take control and learn how to stop ads on Android phone? Before we do, I'll appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button, share the video, and drop a comment if you find this video helpful. You'll be the first to know when we release other cool tech-related videos like this one. Now, let's dive right in. Get rid of it! First up, let's look at the most straightforward step. Did you know most ads come from free apps you've installed? They're like the sneaky roommate who borrows your socks and never gives them back. The good news is, there's a way to tackle it. All you need to do is go to Settings, find the app that's bothering you, and disable its ability to show notifications. There's some fine print to this. Remember, turning off the notifications doesn't mean ads will stop within the app. It's just the annoying pop-up ones that'll be gone. Now, for the second tip, you might have heard about ad-blocking browsers. No, it's not a myth. These are special browsers like Brave or Firefox with the uBlock origin extension that make browsing ad-free as easy as pie. This is like turning that noisy park into your private, serene paradise. Researchers from Simon Fraser University, in a study back in 2021, noted that using ad blockers can enhance your browsing experience and reduce data usage. Sounds neat, huh? Our third lifesaver is an ad-blocking app. But let me give you a heads up, Google Play Store isn't a fan of these apps. It's like they're on the not-so-cool list. So, you need to download them from other sources, which requires you to enable install from unknown sources in your settings. Apps like Blockada or AdGuard come recommended. A word of caution, be extra careful about the source you download these from. You don't want to invite any troublemakers to the party. Let's move on to the fourth trick. This one's for those who don't mind getting their hands a bit dirty. It involves tweaking DNS settings to use AdGuard's DNS. Think of it as putting a bouncer at your phone's entrance, turning away those pesky ads. There's a helpful guide from the folks at Android Central back in 2022 that can walk you through this process. Finally, for those who want total control, there's the nuclear option, rooting your phone. Now, this is a bit like turning your phone into a transformer. You get superpowers, but also responsibility. You can install powerful ad-blocking apps, but it can void your warranty and potentially brick your device. So tread carefully, folks. Alright, we've armed you with enough knowledge to take control of your Android experience. Go out there and make your phone a personal paradise, free from the bellowing noise of ads. Now, remember, if you like this video, do subscribe, share it with friends, and let me know what you think in the comments. Keep exploring, keep learning, and until next time, adios. Remember, the world of tech is always evolving, and so should we. Be sure to tune in next time where we continue to navigate the digital universe together. Catch you later.